And I am so excited. All those little pieces literally need to be laid out by hand. Good 6 inches of ceiling height for the cabinetry, adding more storage to the place. You know, continue the theme of all the colors. Okay, hi design enthusiasts. We're back in Herndon, Virginia, and there's a lot of progress that happened since the last time we were here. If you have not seen the previous episode of the construction happening and the demo, make sure to check the link and check out the before. And now there's a lot happened since we were last here. Well, I was here, you guys were not here. So let me show you what's happening. Come on in. All right, so everything has been painted. There's a couple more touch-up spots that we need to do. The boob light is gone. Yay, no more boob lights. So, but let's go see what's happening in the kitchen. So the floor has been installed and they finished the first layer. Obviously you can't see it because it's covered very well to make sure that it's not scratched. When we're done, the flooring team will come back, hopefully end of next week, to do one more last polish and the final coat to make sure the floor is just perfect before we leave. But let me show you the kitchen. I am so excited. So as you know, we moved the windows and we had to work around some piping that we have in the window and in the soffit. But all in all, I think we did a really great job. We made the soffit as small as possible so it's not intrusive, and we managed to gain good 6 inches of ceiling height for the cabinetry, adding more storage to the place. Since the homeowner just replaced all the windows, we made sure that we actually reused the existing windows. So that worked out really, really nice. I didn't want to waste brand new windows. And as you can see, coming over, the backsplash is in progress. We have this beautiful tile from the tile shop. It is definitely painstaking work because all those little pieces literally need to be laid out by hand. So as you can see, all the pieces that are not finished, they're working on it right now to cut it and make sure that they put it. And after we grout it, it's going to look fabulous. Appliances are in place. We have our Kohler sink here, which I'm really excited about. The gray color, I think it works really nicely. And I love this Hansgrohe faucet. It just has just enough detail to work with everything that we have in the house. And again, if you remember this place, it was just a tiny little kitchen, no island, no place to sit, no room for more than one person. We also now have the microwave drawer, which you guys know how much I love it. It's great for the kids. It's at the end of the island, so you still have plenty of room to stand here and work, do what you need. You have your sink and your stove over here. So I think it came out a really fantastic work triangle over here. Follow me to what we call the poker room. The lights are on. So the one light is on, it's been painted. This is the Hudson Bay by Benjamin Moore. The fireplace is ready. And then here we're really just waiting for the cabinetry to arrive. Hopefully it's gonna be arriving today. So we'll be almost done next week, and then the bar is going to be here. But you know, most of the prep work is done. There will be another coat of paint here as well. So, but I absolutely love these lights, and we have similar lights that are gonna go on the back wall as well. And then we will finish the fireplace area as well. And then here in the family room, again, everything is ready for the cabinetry to arrive. The cabinetry is gonna be installed in the bottom. I love, love, love this wallpaper. I'm really so excited. The client decided to go with that. It's absolutely has, you know, continued the theme of all the colors, but also has its own little touches. We have the color lights on each side and the prep for the TV to go over here. So I think overall we are moving along really, really well, and make sure you tune in next week to see the next update before we do the final reveal. So again, check out the previous video if you haven't.